Hello students, today we are going to see some very short answers of differentiation. So let's start. Here is the first question. Find the derivative of the function f of x is equal to 5 sin x plus ex log a. This is the function. So what to do is we have to just see the formulas. What are the formulas which we are going to use here? Yeah. Are the formulas d by dx of u v. U is one number and v is other number. For both of them, if we are using differentiation, u should be written d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. What it means? For one number derivation should be done and for other not. In the same way, for other number should be done and for the first one not, as we have seen the basic formulas yesterday. Yeah, so this is the question. So first of all, let's derivate f dash of f x. Derivation means here become dash d by dx of 5 sin x plus e power x log x, right? Now this derivation should be for entire 2. Yeah, so d by dx of 5x in the same way plus d by dx of e power x log x. Now phi, it is constant, it's into with that, so it will come outside. Okay, phi, for phi derivation does not occur on it. So derivation of sin x is what? Cos x. We know derivation of sin x is cos x plus derivation of ex log x means what? Let it be x, let it be y. What was the formula? First for u not v and for v not u. Okay, ex d by dx of log x plus log x d by dx of ex. Phi cos x plus ex d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Formula derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x. Derivation of ex is same, only for this value ex only it will be same. Now ex is common, right? Ex is common, so the answer for this is ex. What we got first? Phi cos x plus ex into 1 by x plus log of x. Yes, this only we have got, no? Ex is common. Phi of cos x plus ex 1 by x plus log x. Okay, 1 by x log x, 1 by x plus log x, right? So this is the answer. Now let's see the problem 2. This is the question. If f of x is equal to cos of log of cot x, then find f dash of x. So this is the function, just we have to derive. So first of all, what are the formulas which we are going to use here? Let's see. D by dx of cos x is what? Minus of sin x. Okay. D by dx of log x is 1 by x and d by dx of cot x is minus cosec square x, right? In the same way, cot x is sin x by cos x by sin x. Cot x is nothing but 1 by tan x. Tan x means what? Sin x by cos x. Cos will go up. Cos x by sin x. Cosec x is nothing but 1 by sin x, and sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. This problem will this formula will get you in the trigonometry. Just keep in the mind. Yeah. So now we are differentiating f dash of x is equal to this is cos and entire is let it be x. Entire be let it be x. So cos x, d by dx of cos x means minus of sin x, sin and let it be entire as x, log of cot x, right? Now this x is not there but log of cot x is there. So again we should derivate d by dx of log of cot x. See, if here it is x, we'll get directly cos x minus sin x, sorry. But in the place of x, the big number is there, other value is there. So again we have to derivate. Again we have to derivate for log of cot x. Okay. In this way you have to solve. Is equal to minus sin log cot x, right? D by dx of log x. What is the formula? 1 by x, right? 1 by x into 1 by x. X value what there? Cot x. So again here x value is not x, it's cot x. So again we should derivate d by dx of cot x. Okay. So is equal to same. What is that? Minus sin log cot x into 1 by cot x. D by dx cot x, what is the formula? D by dx of cot x minus cosec square x, right? Minus cosec square x. So minus cosec square x. Now what? Minus sin log of cot x. What is the value of cot? I said cos theta cos x by sin x. See, we have wrote now here cot x means what? Cos x by sin x, right? So minus of cosec value is nothing but 1 by sin square x, right? 1 by sin square x. So this one sin and this one sin get cancelled. What will get? Sin of log cot x, right? This is the thing we have got. Again, what will get? 1 by sin x cos x, right? Sin x cos x. Now is equal to 2 sin log of cot x. I think you all members got that out that how this 2 came, right? Just we are multiplying and dividing with 2, up and down. Multiplying and dividing with 2. Now why we are multiplying means in order to get the formula. This is the 2 is there, is equal to what? 2 sin x cos x. What is the formula? Sin 2x, right? Yeah, we have read somewhere formula, no? Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Sin 2x we are writing, right? So 2 sin, same numerator I am writing the same, cot of sin log of cot x, right? So 2 sin log of cot x by sin 2x. This is the answer. Again one will see the question. Find the derivative of the function tan inverse of log x.